You type a few lines of text, and within minutes, a realistic AI presenter starts speaking your words with natural lip sync and human-like expressions. No camera, no microphone, and no editing experience required. But is HeyGen AI really worth using in 2026? In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, how to log in, its best features, and whether it's the right AI video tool for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's start with the login process. Open your browser and visit the official HeyGen AI website. You click sign up if you're new, or log in if you already have an account. You can continue with your Google account, Microsoft account, or email address. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at the HeyGen dashboard where all the video creation tools are organized in one place. The interface is clean and beginner friendly. To create your first video, click Create Video. Now choose an AI avatar from the library, or upload your own avatar if your plan supports it. Next, type or paste your script into the editor, choose your preferred language and AI voice, then customize the background, text, and branding. One feature that really stands out is the lip sync quality. The avatars look surprisingly natural, making them perfect for YouTube videos, business presentations, online courses, product demos, and social media content. HeyGen also supports multiple languages, AI voice cloning on eligible plans, automatic subtitles, and team collaboration, making it a complete AI video platform. So, what are the pros? It's incredibly easy to use, produces professional-looking videos, saves hours of recording and editing, and requires no technical skills. On the downside, the free plan has limitations, including restricted credits and premium features. If you create videos regularly, you may eventually need a paid subscription. Well, overall, HeyGen AI is one of the best AI avatar video generators available today. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, educator, or business owner, it can help you produce high-quality videos much faster than traditional methods. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which AI tool you'd like me to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Next